Hi, I'm Namita.
And I am Jamal.
Both of us feel profoundly elated to welcome each one of you to the 4th edition of Global Teacher Award 2021. Hello and welcome. I am Namita and I'm extremely honored to be your host for the day and feel immense pleasure in presenting an amazing and extraordinary event which is in a true sense global, that recognizes excellence spread all across the world and significantly covers all eminent countries. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you to the 4th edition of the Global Teacher Award 2021. It's our greatest pleasure to announce the Best of the Best Global Teacher Award, where teachers from across the globe participated and got their names written in golden letters for their excellence in teaching the student community and their endeavors to ensure each and every student recognized their potential, worked hard under the able guidance of their teacher, and endeavored to excel and achieve awesomeness in their studies as well as in their personality. All kudos to the great efforts of the management of AKS Education Awards, Dr. Dinesh Kamra, Mr. Sarvesh Jagdish Raj and Mr. Mahesh Kamra, under whose leadership the GTA has reached the epitome of success.
It's been a hell of a year for all, from businesses to trading to the general communities and of course the schools and colleges. We all suffered due to COVID-19. Millions lost their lives and all of us had to make major changes in the way we lived our lives. While we ensured we had minimum contact with people around us to safeguard ourselves, there was this one community, the teaching community, which even in the face of such a hazardous calamity that threatened to endanger our lives, kept their chin up and carried on heroically, rarely seen in any other industry. Teaching the students with aplomb and gusto through their online teaching, reaching out to their dearest students, giving them solace, soothing their nerves, and ensuring their studies didn't suffer. It is for this energy and enthusiasm shown by the teaching community we have gathered together to felicitate them with the Best of the Best Global Teacher Award 2021.
Please, thank you so much, Dr. Kamra, for your enlightening and inspiring speech. I can even imagine how eagerly the awardees have been waiting for their names to be announced. So without further delay, let's begin the most awaited award show of the year, Global Teacher Award 2021, with a huge round of applause which is highly required here. So our first awardee for the day is
Shivram from India.
Hi, I am Avinash Nikalje from India. I would like to thank AKS for presenting me with Global Teacher Award 2021. Thanks to Almighty, the Interior Director Body of Ahmednagar Jilla Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj Ahmednagar, my school Ghodeshwari Vidyalay, and my family, friends for their unconditional love and support. Thank you. my GTA, my pride.
Mrs. Liliana de Costa Fernandez from Portugal.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the pleasure to have a huge round of applause for all the awardees. Many, many congratulations to all of you. One night while gazing at the stars, I questioned myself that stars shine with their own light. But how does a diamond shine if it is hidden and lost somewhere deep beneath the earth with coal? While finding the answer to this, one of the observations I made was that anything or anyone that shines must have gone through a secret process of manifestation under the unique supervision wherein all crude flakes of darkness gets removed and wisdom sparkles.
That's right, Namita. And dear teachers, please allow me to take this opportunity to reveal that secret process and also to let you know about the actual force working behind that makes humans shine. Dear teachers, that unique process is nothing but the education, and you, the educators, are actual functioning forces. Yes, it's you, my dear teachers. It was you in the past, and it will be only you in future as well. You were, you are, and you will always remain unparalleled. Thank you for putting your heart and soul into the process of making every child shine bright and brighter.
Absolutely, Jamal, very rightly said. But I think thank you is a very small word.
That's right. Yeah.
Even a big and huge round of applause seems to be a dwarf, no? They cannot do justice with the contributions the teachers have made. They can neither meet your energy level nor can match your selfless and consistent efforts, trust you me. But gratitude is a pious word and very close to divinity that must be offered to them, means our teachers who make sacrifices and often compromise with their own comforts. You know what I believe, Jamal?
Yeah.
Gratitude is a pious word and very close to divinity that must be offered to them who make sacrifices and often compromise with their own comforts just to make others feel comfortable and successful. And you have been doing the same, my dear teachers.
So I, on behalf of the whole AKS family, offer you all my heartfelt gratitude and congratulate all of you for being chosen as the proud winner of Global Teacher Award 2021. Now, this award is not merely an award, but a dream visualized by the CEO of AKS Education Awards, Dr. Dinesh Kamra, in 2018 for the first time, when 500 teachers from 28 countries were chosen as the winner of Global Teacher Award. Gradually, with the tireless effort of Team AKS, especially the CEO Dr. Dinesh Kamra, directors Mr. Sarvesh Jagdish Raj and Mahesh Kamra, the horizon got expanded. And today, the teachers from more than 100 countries are getting awarded.
Oh wow, that's great. And we offer our heartfelt gratitude to both of them under whose leadership AKS is able to appreciate and recognize more and more of educators worldwide by spotlighting their efforts and making them visible to the whole of the world. So we offer our gratitude to each one of them who has provided technical support to make this award function a mega successful event.
Our heartfelt gratitude to all the viewers who have taken out their precious time to be part of the event and gave their best wishes. Looking forward to your support in future too. Keep cheering up, dear audience.
Yes, absolutely. At last, once again, we would like to appreciate and extend our warm regards to you, dear teachers. Keep doing the good, keep growing, and keep shining. Wish you all a very bright future ahead. And we also wish to get everything streamlined so that you can open your wings broader than ever before and can fly even higher with your full potential. Of course, Jamal. At last, once again, we would like to appreciate and extend our warm regards to all of you, dear teachers. Keep doing the good, keep growing, and keep shining. Wish you all a bright future ahead. And we also wish to get everything streamlined so that you can open your wings broader than ever before and can even fly higher with all your full potential. Thank you so much for having faith and showing trust in AKS.
So see you in the mega ceremony of Global Teacher Award 2022 in India.